Good morning, Standard 2. Children, today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter 6, using paint. Okay. I know that you all like drawing, है ना? So in this chapter, I am going to teach you your most favorite activity, drawing. है ना? You all love drawing and coloring. So in this chapter, no, I am going to teach you how to draw and color pictures on a computer. Okay, so you all will love this chapter, you will like this chapter. Okay, the most interesting one. So let's start chapter paint. Okay, so paint is a program, drawing program. It's a most popular drawing program of computer. Okay, so how to start this paint program? So it's icon. This is icon of paint program. Okay, so if it is available on your desktop screen, so you can do double click here, and here it is on my taskbar. Okay, taskbar of desktop. So if you will click from here, okay, so this program, this is the paint program screen. Okay, from here you can understand, you can learn drawing, you know? Okay, so see, this is paint program screen. Okay, and I taught you how to start paint program. So either you click on the taskbar, or do double click here, or go to the start button. There is one start button here. Click on start button. Then here all programs. All programs. Then go to the accessory, and in this accessory there is a paint program. Okay, so click here. So there are 2-3 methods to start this paint program. Okay, so this is paint program screen. Okay, now see this blue button. Okay, here this blue button, its name is paint button. Okay, this blue button's name, it is called paint button. Okay, just beside of home tab. These two are tabs, home and view. Okay, these are groups of view tab, and when I'll click on home, so these are groups of home tab: clipboard, image, tools, shapes, color group. Okay, in last homework I gave you to draw this tools group, shapes group, and colors group. I hope you have done your homework. Okay, so there are two tabs, home and view. Okay, and this is title bar. Title bar, you can see title is written, untitled paint. Okay, so this is your screen of paint program. And this white area is drawing area. Okay, drawing area of paint program, where we draw picture. Okay, and tabs and groups I've shown you. These parts are called together called ribbon. This is ribbon. Okay, home tab, view tab, two tabs are there, and clipboard, image, these are groups. So together tabs and group together called ribbon. Okay, title bar shows title of the drawing. Title of the drawing. If you have saved your drawing, no, so its title, its name will be visible on title bar. Clear? And this white area is a drawing area. This is your drawing area. Here we do drawing. Clear? Drawing area. Okay. So now in title bar, two buttons are there. Three buttons are there. Here you see. Okay, this is close button, this is restore button, and this is minimize button. Okay, these are also called control buttons. Okay, to close program we use close button. Okay, and to minimize program we click on minimize button, and to maximize the window or bring the window size into its original size, no, so we click on restore button. So see, if I'll click here, you see, here I clicked, no, so this is original size. Okay, restored. Now when I'll click, now this is maximize button. Okay, now it has changed into maximize button. See, maximize, it has made window full screen. Okay, full screen window. And now this maximize button changed into restore button. Restore down is written, no, means that middle button is now changed into restore button. Okay, okay, this is the window. कैसे ब्लिंक कर रहा बाबा क्या? Okay, now, okay, so there are three buttons: minimize button, maximize restore down button, and close button. Close button is used to close paint program. Minimize button, when we click the minimize button, so window shrinks into a button on the task bar. Okay, if you click on minimize button, you see, if you click here, so now you see, when you click here, no, है ना, window is disappeared but its icon is now here. So you can see now when I'm keeping my mouse pointer over this button, no, so this screen has come. This is paint program screen. Blinking screens, blinking on camera. Okay, now done. Okay, now next is, now we will discuss about the groups. Okay, this is tools group. Here is pencil button, pencil tool, fill with color tool. This is text tool. This is eraser. This is fill with color tool, color picker, fill with color. This one is fill with color, and this is pick color, color picker, and this is magnifier. Okay, so 6 tools are here. How many? 6. 6 tools are here. It is given in your book too at page number 61. You have to remember these tools name, because in exam I'm going to ask you these tools name. Okay, now brushes. So here 9 brushes are given. Okay, you have 9 brushes. Simple brush. This is calligraphy brush 1 for writing. Calligraphy brushes are used for writing. This is calligraphy brush 2. Okay, calligraphy brush 1. Here you see calligraphy brush 1. This is calligraphy brush 2. Okay, now here this is airbrush. Okay, This is oil brush, oil color. This is crayon. This is marker. This is a pencil color, and this is watercolor. Okay. These are 9 brushes. You have to remember each brush name. Understood? Okay. So select color, whichever color you want to do. Okay. And then go to the brush. Okay, children, now you see this is brush tool and this is your first brush. It is simple brush. You can choose color from the color box. Okay, whichever color you like. So I have chosen here red color. Okay, brush size can be changed. Go to the size button and whichever size you want, thickness of the line. Okay, you can choose. Suppose this one. Okay, most thick. And then start dragging mouse. You know how to drag mouse? Press left button. Okay, and keep moving the mouse. Okay, so this way you can draw. Okay. The next button is for calligraphy. Calligraphy button is used for writing. A, then V. Okay. Then this is calligraphy brush 2. Mouse is not working properly. Okay. This is calligraphy brush 2. Then now it is airbrush. Airbrush fill color like this. Okay. Suppose green color you want to fill inside. So this way airbrush spray color. Airbrush is used to spray color. Clear? Next brush is this is oil brush. Oil brush gives oil color effect. Okay, see this one. Next is crayon. Okay, so this is crayon's effect. You can feel it, है ना? This is crayon color effect. Okay. Then next is marker. This is marker color. Okay. Marker speciality is there. Wherever you will drag it, no. So things which is written will also be visible. Okay. Whatever is written, that also will be visible under the marker color. You see this one, this A. When I will okay, so this is marker. Okay, next is marker means it works, this brush works like a marker to highlight anything. Okay, for highlighting we use marker. Then this is pencil color. Okay, pencil color. And last one is watercolor effect. एक मिनट. Nice watercolor effect. My mouse computer today not working properly. To change my mouse. Okay, so this is watercolor effect. So 9 brushes are there. 9 brushes have 9 effects. Clear? so brushes. Then next is okay, shapes. These are shapes. So this is line tool to draw straight line. If you click on this, okay, when it is selected, here you can see this tool is selected. When its color, it is highlighted with yellow color, no? So means it is selected, and now you drag the mouse. So this is used to draw straight line. Understood? And this is curve tool to draw curve line. Okay, see how to draw the curve line. First of all, you have to draw straight line. Okay, straight line will be drawn. Then now you can draw curve line. Curve line tool, first draw a straight line. Okay, when it is done, then wherever you want a curve, no, drag it up, drag that part. Okay, so line has been curved. Understood? This way we can make curves. Okay, now this one, oval is used to draw circle. Okay, circle, and to draw oval. Oval, if you want to draw horizontal oval or vertical. Okay, now this is rectangle tool. Through this we can draw square. Okay, and we can draw rectangles. Shapes we have learned, no, in math subject, huh? So square, rectangle. So rectangle tool is used to draw square and rectangle. Oval tool is used to draw circle and oval. Curve tool is used to draw curve line. Line tool is used to draw straight line. Straight line. Remember these things. Okay, so these are shapes. These are shapes. Okay, then we have stars. Okay, stars here. 3 types of star we have. We can draw. Okay. Stars can be drawn. To draw picture, no, whichever picture you are drawing, whichever shapes or line or curve line or filling color inside, whatever you are doing in this paint program, what do you have to do? You have to drag your mouse. And I hope you have learned how to drag the mouse in standard 1. Standard 1 you all have learned how to drag the mouse. Because if you don't drag mouse, no, picture will not be drawn. Understood? To draw picture, to draw lines, you need to know to drag the mouse. Okay. Press left button, keeping it pressed, and move mouse. Okay. This is called dragging. Then color group. Color group, you know. Color group is used to fill color here. This is color group. All colors are here. Whichever color you want to fill. So first click on fill with color tool and choose color from here. Suppose this blue color, and click inside. Wherever you will click, okay, color will be filled with that. Understood? Suppose this one, click inside. Okay. Suppose this, click inside. So color can be filled very easily with the fill with color tool and color group. Understood now? So chapter is very simple. Very simple. All of you can use it. Okay, all of you can draw in Paint program. So I hope you understood. In next video I'll explain you how to draw shapes, fill color in shapes again I'll explain you. Then our next topic is drawing freehand with pencil tool, filling colors in the picture, eraser tool, how to use eraser tool, and brushes just now I explained, but again I can explain you. Text tool and how to save the drawing. Then creating a new drawing and closing Paint program. So these topics we will do in next video. Okay children, do your homework. Okay, whichever homework I am giving you, do practice of that. Okay, bye.